Hi, here is how you can use ChatGPT as your default search engine within Google Chrome. So the first thing you need to do is come into your extensions, then open up the Chrome store, search for ChatGPT search. Find it here, so it's this one. Add it to Chrome. Add the extension. You'll see it's been added. And what this means now is that if I type in a search, so I put in ChatGPT, I do a search, what you'll find is it's now going to do a search of ChatGPT and give me the answers within ChatGPT. So we could do this for anything. So my favourite thing, Chelsea Football Club, put that in my search bar at the top. And it's giving me all of the results.